Hey guys, today we got a injection pump change on an old 12 valve. I think this one's like a 90, old intercooled, non-intercooled model VE pump. It's leaking in the front, going down the timing case, into the oil pan. I got to get that changed so I can go hot rod it around. Pretty cool old truck. I'll give you a walk around of it and show you kind of what we got. All right. So I've kind of started. I got the oil fill popped off and a couple of things loose already. I didn't grab the camera right away. Supposedly this truck only has like 120,000 miles on the motor. Back in the day, I did a frame swap, I guess you'll call it. I put a 1955 Ford body on it. And then I've played with it a little bit since then, in and out. I got the interior out of like a 97, 98. But still got four-wheel drive down there. AC, heat, all works. It's definitely a work in progress, but so far it's been a pretty damn fun truck. We did all new glass throughout. Got that going, except the one wing window. And I have it, I just haven't changed it yet. So one of these days I'll get around to it, but I figured I'd take you along and show you a little bit once in a while as I get it done. Try and make a little bit of progress on it. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Everything went together pretty well. I did end up having one fuel line leak and I just missed tightening it, but no big deal. It all came back together and so far it seems to be all right. I didn't want to let it go too long running. I just got it fired up just because there was so much fuel in the oil. So I'm going to change the oil, get that out, and I'll fire it up and show you guys. Thanks. Okay guys, we got it all cleaned up a little bit for what it is. I'm going to fire it up and see if there's any leaks. Got to pull the bag off. But yeah, there she is, a 1955 Ford with a 12 valve. The pre-intercooled edition. Yeah, pretty cool. Tow hitch still, gooseneck hitch hidden under there. Interior out of a newer Dodge. I don't think it was out of a Cummins, but everything still works. All of our gauges still work like they should. Pretty cool old truck. I'm happy with it so far. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, let me know. If you don't, if you see something I did wrong, tell me. Thanks. Give a little drive video. I have the dog and wife with me, so I'm not gonna get too overly crazy. But that's pulling out on a 6% grade. I think she does pretty good. Thanks. Have a good one, guys.